Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Peppa Pig. So let's get started. To draw cute Peppa Pig, today we're going to try something a little bit different. So instead of using my Sharpie as usual to draw an outline, I thought it'd be really nice to try using markers, different colors to create an outline just like the original drawing. So hopefully this will work, but if you don't want to do that, of course you can get your pencil out or your Sharpie and just follow along with me. But I thought I wanted to give this a try, see if it'll work. So I found this kind of like this pinkish purplish color to start with the outline of her head. So let's go ahead and we're going to come over here. We're going to start with a big oval at a slant for her nostril. So I'm going to come right here and let's go ahead and draw a big oval. Okay, so now that I have this big oval in, I'm going to come down at a slant. So it's kind of like drawing, I don't know, kind of reminds me of like a hair dryer shape. I don't know why. So then let's come about right here and we're going to come down. We're going to bring it in. Right there. And this part is going to slant down as well. So definitely turn your body or the paper. Woo. Oh, what happened there? And we're gonna come down. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should have just stuck with a Sharpie, huh? This doesn't work at a slant, obviously. So I'm gonna bring this down. Sorry about the mess. And about right here, we're going to start a curve. So this is the snout, and then now we're going to draw the head. So we're just gonna bring this down. Nice and round. So I'm going to create this round bottom part right here. And connect. Maybe I should just stuck with a colored pencil or something. This marker is creating a mess. Okay, well, here we go. So we have this basic shape for Peppa's head. Then let's see here. The very important part is we need to come about right here and towards the top, and we're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. So 1, and then come right next to it and draw another one. About there. And then we can come up and draw the ears. So the first ear is kind of like over this eye. So say about right here. Pop out a little ear. And one more right next to it. From there, I'm going to come back into this space and draw 2 circles for the nostrils. So about right here, just going to blot it in and here. And then I'm going to switch to a slightly darker color, darker pink here, purplish pink. And then about right into this space right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a smile. So say about here. Oh, you know what? Actually, I think I used the wrong color. I should have started with this. This was actually the color that should have been Peppa's outside, but I think we'll be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead. This should have been the color for the mouth. This was a darker. Let's see if I can just continue this without having to start over. Okay, so now we have a big smile, and then I'm gonna come right here and draw a circle in the space for the cheeks. I thought I picked up the right. See how similar they are? I picked up the wrong one. So I'll shade this part in here for the cheek. Okay, so then now that we have finally, let's come in here with my Sharpie. And we're going to come into this space and draw another circle. and shade that in for the eye. There. Okay, now it's starting to look like Peppa Pig, right? Then let's see here. Hopefully I won't make a mistake with this one. Let's find a red, like a darker red, and I'm going to draw her dress. So I'm going to come about right here and stay about here, and we're just going to bring a curve down. So like I said, if you don't want to bother with trying to find all these different colors to create it like I am, just get a pencil or a Sharpie and just draw. There. Okay, so we got her dress, and then let's see, come back in here, and I'm gonna color this in real quick. So I found like a lighter red, so I'm trying to go in all one direction so that I don't have too many streaks. That's the reason I'm coloring like this. It's the awful thing about markers, right? It's the streaks that it creates. Okay, so let's come back in here. There. Now we can come back. Oh my goodness, I think it was this one. No, I think it was this one. And we're going to draw the, let's see. Oh, actually, you know what? Her hands and legs are actually a softer pink, right? So I'm going to come right here into this space. And let's see, make sure this is the right pink. Okay, it is. So I'm going to come about right here. We're going to draw her hands. So I'm going to bring this out into a curve, round this part off, and round this part as well. There, one, and then the other hand. So about right here. Thicken everything, round it off. And once again, same thing. There. Get a little bit thicker. Okay, and then now her legs. Cool, come straight down. So let's say about right here. I'm gonna thicken this up. And same thing about right here. And then I'm going to come back with a Sharpie and draw her feet. So let's come back here and just going to slant up slightly and then curve around. And then just connect it with a straight line and shade it all in. So same thing on the other side. Just slight curve up, bring it in, and connect. There. And I'll just come in here and thicken this up a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's see here. I'm just going to darken this red dress a little bit more. And I put a little heart right here to make her my draw so cute Peppa. There. And then now for her face, I could come in there with this pink marker, but I thought it'd be much easier if I just colored it in with a colored pencil. There'll be less streaks, hopefully. So I'm just going to try to do that really quick. Just when I thought I was done, I realized I forgot something very important, her tail. So let's come about right here. My goodness. And we're just gonna draw a little twirl and thicken it up. I bet you were screaming at me to not forget her cute little tail. Okay, so there. Now we're done. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Peppa Pig. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today and you like how it turned out. Not the usual Sharpie, but with these different color markers, and I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.